Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you how I got this eyeshadow look and lip combo using a brand called BK Beauty. To celebrate 3 years of BK Beauty, they are providing 20% off site-wide starting now until July 31st. And this brand is so cool. They donate to the kindness campaign, which I'm all about kindness, and I think that's really amazing for a brand to do. They are vegan, cruelty-free. They are formulated without sulfates and parabens and just all of that nasty stuff. And because I love you guys so much, I am going to be doing a giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away this lipstick and lip liner bundle for you guys. There's 5 lipsticks, 4 lip liners. All you have to do to enter is leave me a comment down below. It can be any sort of comment you guys want, nice comments. So I'm going to show you guys how I got this eyeshadow look and lip combo using all BK Beauty products. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep watching. Starting off this look, I'm gonna be using their True Beauty eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. You can create a soft, natural glam look or a smoky, sultry look, whatever you like, you can do with this one palette. The shimmer shades in this palette, super pigmented. Also, the mattes are very pigmented, very easy to work with. They blend out like a dream. And the shades I'm using today is Grace, and I'm gonna pop that into my crease, and then Beauty, I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner of my eye. And to finish the look off, I'm gonna be using this shimmer shade called Amore. Beautiful, beautiful palette. Ever since I got this, I cannot stop using it. I love that it also has a mirror in it, and it's just great. A great everyday palette. It's amazing. I also have their Hot and Flashy brush bundle. They just feel so good on your eyes and your face. The brushes are so soft, and it made the eyeshadows super easy to apply. And I will leave all the links to everything that I use down below for you guys. And I would really recommend this little set. It has pretty much everything you would need to create an eyeshadow look, and also this brush right here, I really like to use it to blend out my concealer. And then this angle brush is amazing for contouring or just applying blush. It's like everything you need in a brush set. I love them. Lips, I'm gonna be using the Warm Spice lip liner. I am obsessed with these lip liners, just the way they're like really chiseled out. It's amazing, very thin, doesn't feather on your lips, very easy to work with. Some lip liners like tug at your lips a little bit. These do not. Very comfortable on the lips. The packaging is gorgeous. I love that it has like a magnet to it. It's super cool. And the color, I'm just obsessed with these lipsticks. The lipstick I'm gonna be using is in the shade Kindness, and I am obsessed with these lipsticks. They're super pigmented, very creamy. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to check out their 3-year anniversary sale. 20% off site-wide is just amazing. This brand, I can't say enough good things about them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to leave me a comment down below to enter my giveaway to win these 5 lipsticks and lip liners. I can't wait for you guys to try them, and I will see you guys in my next video.